Hello friends, today's session is on Java typecasting. So, let's begin. Java typecasting. Typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another type. In Java, there are two types of casting. First one is widening casting, which means automatically converting a smaller type to a larger type size. Like byte to short, and short to char, and char to int, and int to long. Second type is narrowing casting, which means manually converting a larger type to a smaller size type. Like double to float, and long to int to char, and char to short. So, let's see what is widening casting. Widening casting is done automatically when parsing a smaller size type to a larger size type. Now let's see an example.
As you know what is widening casting, let's see an example of widening casting. First of all, we take a data type int, assign its value to 9. After that, we take a double data type, name it as my double, assign its value to my int. Here we are converting int into double. This line of code says that we are changing my int into double. We are casting int into double. Now let's see our result. First of all, we are printing my int, which is before typecasting. Executed. As you see here, int is 9, and after typecasting int becomes double, which is 9.0.
Now, other type is narrowing casting. Narrowing casting must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. Now let's see an example of it.
Now let's see an example of narrowing typecasting. For that, we have taken double data type, assign its value to 9.99. Another data type take is done int, and we assign its value to double. For that, we have to type int in bracket. After that, we have to type the name of data type we are casting into int. Here we are casting my double into int. For that, we have to type my double. Now let's see our output. My double. This is before typecasting. Before typecasting. That is after typecasting. Executed. Here you can see that before typecasting it is double, which is 9.99. After typecasting it becomes integer, which is 9.
So, that is for today. And lastly, if you found it useful or if you learned something from this, then subscribe. Your support encourages us to make more videos for you, so please subscribe.